Alright guys, so today we're working with proportions, and to solve a proportion you are going to cross multiply, which means you're going to multiply the two numbers diagonally, and then you're going to divide by the other number. So if I look at this first example, I'm going to cross multiply 6 times 3, and 6 times 3 gives us 18, and then I'm also going to cross multiply the 9 times x, and 9 times x gives us 9x. And if I divide by 9, 18 divided by 9 is going to give me 2. So this first example, x equals 2. Alright, the second example, I'm going to cross multiply the 6 times 3, which also gives me 18. And 9 times x, which gives me 9x. So this one's very similar to the first one. And I'm going to divide by 9. And 18 divided by 9 is going to give me 2. So this one is also x equals 2. Alright, number 3, I have 10 times 6, which gives me 60, and n times 15, which gives me 15n. And I divide by 15, and 60 divided by 15 is going to give me 4. So number 3, n equals 4. Alright, go ahead and pause the video. Try these next 3 problems on your own. You can use the calculator and see if you can get the correct answer on these. Press play once you are finished and the answers will pop up. Did you get the correct answers on these? If not, try to figure out what you did wrong or come see me so I can help you.